Have you set your financial goals for 2024? How about earning an extra $900 per day with a side hustle? Welcome to a world of opportunities where your financial dreams can become a reality. Side hustles or additional jobs you do outside your primary job have been gaining popularity over the years. They're not just about making ends meet anymore. They're about financial freedom, about exploring your passions, about stepping out of the 9-to-5 grind. And in 2024, they're about to get even more exciting. We're going to take you through a journey where we explore 4 unique side hustles that you probably haven't heard of. These aren't your typical food delivery or freelance writing gigs. These are innovative, niche-specific, and potentially very profitable ventures that can supplement your income or even become your primary source of income. So buckle up and stay tuned as we unravel 4 side hustles that no one is talking about for 2024. Dive into the world of virtual assistants, a booming industry with ample opportunities. As the digital world evolves, the demand for specialized services grows, and virtual assistants is no exception. Imagine the vast array of industries out there, each with its unique needs and challenges. Now picture a role that caters specifically to these needs. A role that operates from anywhere in the world and offers services tailored to a specific industry. That's the role of a niche-specific virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, or VAs, are no longer just about handling emails and scheduling appointments. They're becoming industry-specific experts, offering specialized services that cater to unique business needs. For example, in the blockchain industry, a VA might provide services like community management or content creation. In the realm of sustainable living, a VA could offer services like eco-friendly product research or sustainable supply chain management. The key to success as a VA in a niche industry is to first identify an industry you're passionate about and have some knowledge in. Then, dive deeper, learn more, and build up your skill set to cater to that industry's specific needs. Marketing yourself as a niche-specific VA is all about showcasing your unique skills and knowledge. Use platforms like LinkedIn and Upwork to connect with potential clients, and don't forget the power of networking within your chosen industry. The potential earnings as a niche-specific VA can be impressive. Of course, it varies based on your skills, experience, and the industry you're in, but it's not uncommon for VAs to earn a full-time income, all from the comfort of their own home. And the best part? The scalability. As you build your client base and reputation, you can expand your services, raise your rates, or even build a team. So, if you're looking for a side hustle that combines flexibility, potential for growth, and the opportunity to delve into an industry you're passionate about, consider becoming a niche-specific virtual assistant. Virtual assistants in niche industries offers a promising path to meet your financial goals. Unleash your entrepreneurial spirit with digital product reselling. This side hustle is all about buying and selling digital assets. Think custom digital art, specialized software tools, or even unique fonts and templates. The beauty of this business model is that you're dealing with digital goods, meaning no physical inventory to manage and unlimited scaling potential. The digital product resale market is burgeoning thanks to our increasingly digital world. As businesses and individuals alike continue to seek out unique digital assets, the demand for such products is only set to grow. So, how do you get a slice of this digital pie? First, you need to identify unique and in-demand digital products. This may involve some market research and perhaps even developing your own digital skills. Remember, the more unique and high quality your product, the better it will sell. Next, you need a platform to sell your digital products. There are many available, but some of the most popular include Etsy for arts and crafts, and Gumroad for software and digital content. Each platform has its own pros and cons, so it's essential to choose the one that best fits your product and business model. Once you have your product and platform, it's time to focus on marketing and optimizing sales. This could mean investing in search engine optimization to increase your product's visibility, or leveraging social media to reach a wider audience. Remember, the key to successful selling is to understand your target market and tailor your marketing efforts accordingly. Finally, consider the sourcing or creation of your digital products. You can either create them yourself or source them from others. If you're sourcing, make sure you're respecting intellectual property rights and have the necessary permissions or licenses to sell. In summary, digital product reselling is a dynamic and potentially lucrative side hustle. It involves identifying or creating unique digital products, marketing them effectively, and optimizing sales. With the right approach, you can tap into the growing digital product market and create a successful business. Digital product reselling is an excellent side hustle to consider in 2024. Scene script. Venture into the dynamic world of cryptocurrency arbitrage. Imagine being a savvy trader, spotting price differences across various cryptocurrency exchanges, and taking advantage of these disparities to make a profit. That, my friends, is the essence of cryptocurrency arbitrage. It's like being a digital nomad, but instead of hopping from one country to another, you're jumping between crypto exchanges. You'll find that opportunities for arbitrage in the crypto market are not as scarce as hen's teeth. They spring up due to factors like regional variations, liquidity issues, and transaction delays. But remember, these opportunities are not only fleeting, but they also require a keen eye and quick action. Like any other trading activity, cryptocurrency arbitrage is not devoid of risks. These include price volatility, execution risks when dealing with large orders, and even the risk of exchanges going belly up. So it's crucial to tread carefully and not put all your eggs in one basket. Now, you might be wondering, where do I start? There are numerous platforms and tools designed specifically for cryptocurrency arbitrage. Some of these include Arbitao, Arbiswap, and Crypto Arbitrage Professional. These platforms are like your virtual assistants, helping spot potential arbitrage opportunities. But remember, they don't eliminate the risks involved. Let me share a real-life example. In late 2024, Bitcoin was trading at 2% higher on a South Korean exchange compared to a US exchange. Some quick-thinking traders spotted the price difference, bought Bitcoin on the US exchange, and sold it on the South Korean exchange, making a neat profit. That's cryptocurrency arbitrage in action. But before you dive headfirst into this, do your homework. Understand the market dynamics, familiarize yourself with the tools, and most importantly, be prepared for the risks. This side hustle is not for the faint-hearted or risk-averse. Cryptocurrency arbitrage can be a profitable side hustle if you understand the risks and opportunities. Capitalize on your expertise by creating personalized online courses. The digital world is hungry for tailored learning experiences, and this is where you come in. With the rise of remote learning and the thirst for knowledge at an all-time high, the demand for personalized online courses has skyrocketed. So, how do you tap into this goldmine? Start by identifying your niche or subject. What are you good at? What do you enjoy teaching? This could be anything from sustainable living to coding in Python. The key is to find a subject that you are passionate about and that others are eager to learn. Once you've identified your subject, it's time to choose a platform. There's no shortage of online platforms where you can create and sell your course. Platforms such as Teachable and Udemy are popular choices, offering a variety of tools to help you design, host, and sell your course. Now let's talk about content. Creating engaging and valuable course content is crucial. This isn't just about dumping information on your students, it's about creating a learning journey that is interesting, engaging, and personalized. Use a mix of videos, quizzes, interactive exercises, and real-life examples to bring your course to life. But creating a great course is only half the battle. You also need to market it. Use social media, email marketing, and content marketing to reach your target audience. Offer a free trial or a discounted rate for the first few enrollees. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience. Remember, the more people know about your course, the more potential students you have. Personalized online courses offer an exciting opportunity to share your knowledge, help others, and earn extra income. But remember, the success of your course depends on the quality of your content and your marketing efforts. So, put in the time, do your research, and create a course that you would be proud to teach. Personalized online courses can help you share your knowledge and earn extra income. So why not start today? Your knowledge is a valuable asset, don't let it go to waste. So there you have it, 4 unique side hustles for 2024. Let's quickly recap. Virtual assistance in niche industries is on the rise, and your expertise in areas like blockchain or sustainable living could be in high demand. Digital product reselling is another lucrative avenue. With platforms like Etsy and Gumroad, you can sell unique and in-demand digital products. Cryptocurrency arbitrage is a high-risk, high-reward game, but with the right strategies, it can be a profitable venture. And lastly, personalized online courses allow you to share your knowledge with the world and earn from it. Each of these hustles requires time, effort, and research. Consider your own skills and interests before diving in. And remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, and every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Start your side hustle journey now and achieve your financial goals for 2024.